A very warm welcome to everyone. एक बार फिर से हम लोग एक नए गेस्ट के साथ हैं। रूमी नाम है इनका, ये दुबई से हैं और ये फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी के अंदर सेल्स मैनेज करते हैं। आप लोग जानते हैं कि किस तरह से लोग अपने जीवन को बेहतर से बेहतरीन बना रहे हैं एंजल्स की मदद से। आज यही एक चीज को मतलब मुझे ऐसा बोलना चाहिए कि आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि किस तरह से आपके सामने रूमी आज आप लोगों को बताने जा रही है कि किस तरह से उनकी लाइफ एंजल्स ने पूरी तरह से ट्रांसफॉर्म। अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू रूमी।
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. First of all, I would like to thank you for the opportunity which you have given me, the platform which you have given me by this interview. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू सो मच रूमी, थैंक यू सो मच। सबसे पहले आप ये बताओ कि आपको एंजल्स के बारे में पता कैसे चला?
Okay. Actually, I used to read a lot about angels. मेरे को अच्छा लगता था पढ़ना उनके बारे में. But सिर्फ पढ़ने से कुछ नहीं होता. Like I wanted to experience that, and I wanted to connect with angels. जो main था कि पढ़ते रहो तो कुछ फायदा नहीं है. So you should be able to connect it. And that's how one of my friends, Sanjana, she sent me a webinar link of your introductory session on angels. So that was the session, and never looking behind. It's like that. So वो session मैंने आपका देखा 1.5 hours का था, and
प्री
that
एंजल
session,
इंट्रोडक्टरी प्रोग्राम, राइट?
yes. So that session gave me an insight that what I was reading and what you said in a free complimentary introductory session, I was that like, if I can get everything in this, so if I join the course, what all things I will be coming to know, what information I'll get. So that's how I came to know about your course and encountered angels, basically, the experiencing the angels.
लवली
And
लव
abhi the situation is like that. I close my eyes, I invoke angels, I can experience them around.
Oh, lovely.
Thank
I
you
still
for that.
remember you had taken an admission in basic angel course and then you had jumped into the 9-step process.
Yes.
What are the things like? Just tell me what are the emotions that you have mastered after the courses? Like कौन सी चीजें हैं जो आपने achieve करी हैं angels की help से? I'm very much eager to know about this.
Yes, I would also love to say that. Actually, after joining your online angel course, there was an orientation conducted by you, जिसमें आपने बोला कि this is just a start, and there are a lot of things you have to learn more about it. And when you started talking about 9-step process, so I got it like, yeah, this is what I was looking for. And everything you said one by one, all the steps which you had told about 9-step, this was all the things which I was looking for. So my challenges in the life was that I was already working. I was a sales professional, but I was encountering a lot of health challenges. And those health challenges were more or less psychosomatic. I knew that if I will, since I have already told you, I've told that I was in pharmaceutical industry. So I was already knowing that medicines, whatever I will take, it's not going to help me. So my issue, my challenge was psychosomatic. So I knew in my mind somewhere that I have to work on myself. I have to work on my emotions. I have to work on my thought process. I have to work on my patterns. And these all things, when you revealed your 9-step process, everything was there. And after studying, after taking your online course, that 9-step process, I started working on that. I started studying that under your guidance. And one by one, first of all, my health improved. I was out of that challenge what I used to feel, out of that anxiety, out of that worry, which every day, because sales is always a worry. The stick is on your head, whether you will achieve or not. So now it's like I know that I'll do my job and angels will take care. And this is what was happening. So that was the first thing which I had got after joining your course.
लवली सो यू आर सेइंग कि आपकी एंजाइटी खत्म हो गई, आपकी वरी खत्म हो गई सारी की सारी, और आपका जो हेल्थ इश्यूज था, एग्जैक्टली जो साइकोसोमेटिक डिजीज थे, वो आपके हील हो गए। लवली,
Yes.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। और कोई अपना एंजल्स का एक्सपीरियंस बताइए।
Yes, I can tell one more thing. It's connected to what I was telling. It was mastering my emotions. I was very aggressive person, and I used to react a lot in very small situations also. Now with your course, I have learned how to respond, not to react. So, and the anger which used to come on me on small situation, that has already gone. It's not there at all. So this is all like, I think like I have mastered my emotions to a large extent. So that is one. Second, the thing what I have learned from your entire course of 9-step process, it is this memory NLP for my children actually. So because my elder daughter is in grade 8 and she has huge tables of periodic tables and chemical equations, multiplication table for my little one. So they have enjoyed watching your course and they have learned big formulas, big tables, everything. So that was the best thing also, which I really liked it. And my approach towards life, it has become positive now. Like I was a worried well before, like anything happens, I used to think a lot, but now I'm very positive. My communication, the way I speak, the way I choose my words when I have to speak to someone, that has totally changed. I know that now the words what I speak can create my world. So I am very positive in that also. And with my husband, he has removed a lot of financial blockages. A lot of finances have improved with him. Overall, I can say it has transformed my life in all aspects. When I start talking, I like it's like there's a lot of things to talk about. Your courses, the way you conduct the classes, so it's wonderful actually.
लवली लवली आपने बताया एक अपने जॉब भी अभी मैनिफेस्ट की है, किस तरह से मैनिफेस्ट की बताइए?
Yes, job actually, I was working before, and then because of pandemic and all that, there were a lot of challenges there, and I had to resign that job. And there was a gap of around 3-4 months, and I did your angel healings actually, angel healings, and I used. If you say what you have used, I have used your NLP in that. I have used counseling mastery in that. I have used. Change your mindset and angel healings, everything put together. I was able to manifest the job, same kind of job what I was working before, in 4 months time.
In Dubai only?
In Dubai only, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Lovely, lovely.
So which was another manifestation for me through angel healings.
Lovely, lovely. आपने बताया कि आपके पास फाइनेंशियल ब्लॉकेजेस बहुत सारे थे, आपके हस्बैंड के पास भी थे,
जी
वो
जी
किस तरह से इम्प्रूव हुए?
My husband actually, he's also a sales professional, but he is working in software company. So the company where he was working, he was having a lot of when we perform the sales, we get a lot of incentives and all that. Those incentives, what he was supposed to get from last 3 years, 4 years, he was not getting it. He was not getting it because of a lot of financial constraints with the company and because of pandemic and all that. And you'll be surprised the moment he started working on those NLP things, the affirmations, whatever you have advised in that, his company, his boss has started giving him that amount. No, not because the amount is very huge, so she will not be able to give the entire amount to him, but she has started giving him that amount now, and he, along with his salary, he is receiving that also.
Oh.
So which is and he's extremely happy about it, because he even didn't think that he will get it. He started looking for a job, so now he has started getting that amount also. So which is one way, it's like financially it has helped us a lot. As a family, it has helped. There's a peaceful atmosphere at home. Even my children, when they talk, so they know what they have to speak. So if one is telling something which you should not say, the other one will say, no, you have to say what you want to be. Do not say what you do not want to be. So it's like that. So it's a beautiful atmosphere at home, and at work also. I have learned a lot, like how to manage my colleagues, my customers. I'm more result oriented, I can say, because I have removed everything which I was unnecessarily wasting my time on. So I'm more focused, more mental clarity. So all these credit, I will say, will go to angels, and you are an earth angel for me. So
thank you so much. Thank you so very much. So आपका वरी खत्म हो गया, आपकी एंजाइटी खत्म हो गई, आपका एंगर इशू सारा खत्म हो गया, बच्चों की मेमोरी आपकी ठीक हो गई, फाइनेंशियल ब्लॉकेजेस आपके हस्बैंड की आज ठीक हो गए, आपने मैनिफेस्ट किया अपनी जॉब को लेकर, आपके हस्बैंड के इंसेंटिव्स वापस आने शुरू हो गए। ओह माय गॉड, लवली लवली, वेरी नाइस, सो मेनी मैनिफेस्टेशंस।
Yes.
What kind of message you really want to give to the women, especially the society? What kind of, because they have so much of lack of self worthiness, क्या मैं कर पाऊंगी, क्या मुझसे हो पाएगा, or they have a lack of confidence also sometimes, right? What kind of message you want to give them?
Yes, the most important message what I want to give to all ladies over there is self-love. They should learn how to love themselves, because most of the time what we do, we keep on caring about entire world, but we don't know what we have to do for ourselves. So self-love is very, very important. Then know your worth, what you are for. It's not that you have to just cook entire day and then take care of your children. Yes, that's the most important thing what we should do, but we are capable of lot many more things. We have a huge potential inside. So that is know your worth. Nothing is impossible.
do
I
you
can
do you,
say,
do you think that the self love and the worthiness, they will get it by the 9-step process?
of course, I'm coming to that actually. I'm coming to that because I have to say so many things which every woman should take it. So definitely everything is possible, and they should say that I am possible, like I can do everything. And the last but not the least, I can say master your emotions and create your own destiny. So, creating the destiny, when I'm saying it can happen only when they follow the entire process. That is the 9-step process. And this 9-step process is not like, since I have taken this 9-step process in October and now we are in June. So, it's around 6, 7, 8 months. So, but this work is not for 6 months or 7 months. This is the journey, and we have to live this entire 9 step. We have to live, and then we will see how we can rock. Like I can feel that now I have you as a mentor. I will definitely shine in my life. So I don't have anything in my mind which will tell me that you cannot do it. I know if there is anything, Nitin sir is there, I will just speak to him. I'll enroll for his courses, and definitely I'll reach there wherever I want to be.
always blessings, always blessings, always blessings. रूमी, बताइए उन लोगों के लिए जो लोग अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट तो करते हैं 21 डेज एंजल मैनिफेस्टेशन प्रोग्राम से या फिर बेसिक एंजल कोर्स से, और वो जर्नी को कंप्लीट नहीं करते हैं, उनके लिए आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? लाइक वो वहीं पे रुक जाते हैं या 9 स्टेप तक नहीं जाते हैं, उनके लिए आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
I'll say they have to take an action. No procrastination should not be there at all. If they procrastinate now, they will not be able to achieve. Because again, like see, for me also, I enrolled for online angel course only because I was excited to know more about angels. I never knew about you. I never knew that you have so many things in your basket. But when I saw your course, I understood, and then I started working on that. Yes, the life is transformed. And Adi Adhuri cheez se, like you will not be successful throughout. So action, take the action, make a schedule, make a plan, budget your finances in such a way that you keep aside something for your personal growth, which is what I have learned from you actually. So you have always told, and this has helped actually. We mostly we think that okay, fine, this is the last thing we should do. But this is the thing which should be very important, because on this basis only we will be able to pave our life. Because if we go with the flow, things will not happen. We have to be the action taker, then only it is possible. So all of them who are stuck in between, they should open their eyes and say that yes, we have to take an action and go ahead. If I can transform my life, because I if I go back, I know how I was thinking, what all thought process was going in my mind. So if I can go, everybody and anyone can do, anyone can change.
Absolutely.
So everybody has to take an action actually.
Lovely, lovely. I still remember because most of the women comes and say, "Sir, आपको क्या लगता है? मैं कर पाऊंगी? क्या मुझसे हो जाएगा?" ऐसे लोगों के लिए क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
नहीं सर, everything is possible और हो जाएगा, because एक तो सबसे पहले we have a divine intervention with us. We have angels with us. These are the helpers who are always with us and every time with us. When they have taken this online angel course, they should know that okay, we have taken. Now we have to work on ourselves also and go ahead. So it's very important, and they should not get stuck in between. I have only message, if you are doing it, never, if you are not doing it now, it will be that you cannot do it. So please take the action as possible, as soon as possible,
Lovely, lovely.
and take the courses of Nitin sir and enrich your life.
Always blessings, always blessings. Thank you so very much, Rumi, for coming to this show. Enlighten people, of course, with your experiences, with your knowledge. And the most important concern is, because I always want, to motivate people, to inspire people to take action. Because I know without action, you cannot grow in the life. So thank you so much for your valuable time, Rumi, for coming here. And of course, motivate people, inspire people by your stories and by your manifestations. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.